Precision is key. Each pallet is weighed upon arrival to ensure accurate inventory management.
Quality control is paramount. Each cherry is precise.
Once the cherries arrive, they are immediately transferred to large washing tanks to ensure maximum freshness and hygiene. Following strict quality protocols, the freshly harvested cherries undergo a vigorous washing process before moving on to the next stage of production. The cherries are carefully washed in clear, circulating water to ensure maximum hygiene before the pitting process.
Here in the washing stage, the freshly harvested cherries are thoroughly rinsed by high-pressure nozzles, ensuring optimal hygiene and quality.
Using advanced optics, every single cherry undergoes a precise quality inspection before moving to
Advanced robotics and meticulous human oversight guarantee the purity and freshness of every batch.
The quality control team monitors every stage, ensuring only the freshest fruit is used in our products.
The cherries are precisely dispensed into these large bins, ensuring maximum freshness and quality control before moving to the jam production line.
Utilizing advanced automation, the cherries are precisely transported through the washing phase, ensuring peak freshness and hygiene.
Our state-of-the-art machinery ensures every cherry is perfectly pitted, before moving on to the next stage of jam production.
Our state-of-the-art optical sorting machine meticulously checks every single cherry for quality.
The Apache production line utilizes the latest in automation, ensuring precision and efficiency at every stage.
We measure the sugar precisely to the gram, ensuring the quality and consistency of every batch of jam.
Quality control precisely measures and sifts the sugar before it's added to the cherry mixture.
The cornstarch acts as a natural thickener, carefully weighed by our quality control team to ensure the perfect consistency for our cherry jam.
Quality control is essential. We carefully measure the absorption rate of the gelling agent to ensure perfect consistency in every batch.
We closely monitor the pH levels. The target is 2.2, which is essential for both flavor and safety.
Our quality control inspectors meticulously measure and test every batch to ensure the highest standards for our cherry jam.
A precise volume of cherries is released from the hopper into the temperature-controlled mixing tank below, generating clean steam.
The cherries are then moved into large mixing tanks where they are combined with precise measurements of water and
The cherries are gently simmered before the precise amount of sugar is added, which helps thicken the mixture and preserve the fruit's natural flavor.
Here we see the cherries reaching their boiling point, a critical step in achieving the perfect consistency.
The mixture is then slowly brought to a boil, ensuring the perfect consistency for our cherry preserves.
The cherry mixture is carefully added to the base to ensure the perfect color and consistency for our premium jam.
The cherries are gently heated and stirred in these large stainless steel vats, ensuring perfect consistency for our gourmet jam.
The industrial mixer blades ensure a consistent texture, churning the mixture evenly for optimal flavor and
The cherry mixture is carefully churned and heated in these sterile, stainless steel tanks, maintaining the highest quality standards.
This measurement guarantees the texture is exactly right before bottling.
The quality control team uses a digital refractometer, or Brix meter, to precisely measure the
The mixture is thickening nicely now. The automated stir seems effective.
Agreed. The consistency is exactly what we need for the next phase.
In these stainless steel vats, the cherries are slowly churned with the syrup, then heated with steam to create the perfect jam consistency.
The cherry jam is heated precisely to 88 degrees Celsius. This ensures
Once filled with the fresh cherry mixture, the jars are precisely guided towards the automated capping station.
The jars move rapidly through the capping station, where the golden lids are precisely sealed at high speed.
After filling, the hot jars are quickly submerged in the cooling tank, creating this dramatic burst of steam.
Maintaining peak hygiene is critical. Our state-of-the-art facility utilizes pressurized steam and water to ensure every surface is immaculate.
Here, the freshly filled jars undergo their first sterilization, lifted from the water bath and rinsed with
ensuring the highest standards. Each jar is sterilized with high-pressure water jets before moving to the filling station. Here at the rinsing station, purified water ensures every jar is meticulously cleaned before filling.
Here at the heart of the facility, our high-speed conveyor system ensures that every jar of cherry jam is precisely handled before labeling. The jars then move to the high-speed quality control stage, where a laser scanner precisely verifies the label placement and integrity.
The jars then move to the high-speed date printer, ensuring every product is clearly marked with an expiration date and lot number for quality control.
The conveyor system precisely guides the cherry jam into the shrink wrapper, where a protective seal is applied before crating.
Quality control is paramount. Our inspectors ensure the shrink wrap is perfectly taut before the jam leaves the facility.
Once filled and sealed, the jam jars are carefully packed onto pallets and secured for shipment using our automated wrapping system. Once the cherry jam is jarred and packaged, Each pallet receives a unique tracking label to ensure efficient distribution.